share this file. Actually, I prepared this one for marking, and this is the Excel sheet. So this is the instructions, okay? And this is the assignment 1 marking, and this is the assignment 2 marking. Now, just a quick thing. This is you put the student's ID, the marker, which is your name, the date of marking, okay? Similarity, you will get it from the Canvas, word counts, the other things. Now, this is actually, I make it to make the standardization. So when you see here, we have like 4 levels. So let's say when we are going to the task 1 of the assignment 1, okay, I have like 3. So if he did not make anything, you will put 0. So he will get 0. And the standard comments will come automatically with that, okay? Now, I just wanted to tell you quickly, if I put here 2, 3, this is the 4 is the best. 1, it's almost that thing, the 2, and let's say 2 in here. So you can see the mark is 61, okay? You get the idea, it's coming automatically with the standards. Now, if you have like some customized comment, you don't like this, you can put it here, like put whatever you want, okay? So when you make enter, it will take this one. So it's always taking the customized one. If not, they will take this one, okay? Like here. Here is taking this one, but here is taking this one. Is that clear? So I work on this like about 1 month to develop this Excel sheet. Now, the most important things is this. This will come with the standardized feedback. So if I make copy, and then I made, I will go with the, let me see. I will go with the notes. I will just make like new notes here. So just let me show you how, you see, I just copied this cell, okay? And you can see here, if I make it like this, it will come automatically. Okay? With your name, with everything. This is where you are putting your name and your date here and the other things. The other things that if you said the student is late, okay? So the student, let's say the date, I don't know where's the late days. So if you said like the student's two days late, so it will be deduction from here. You see, this is the 10 automatically is coming. So his mark now is 51, not 61. Is that clear? This is the other one that I put it more. This one, you can make like formatted feedback. So when I copy this is the HTML. I also program it. And when you are going with the, let's say, just minutes, I just wanted to get the quickly. I'll put here. So I think HTML. This is the online, this one. And I am going to, so the compiler, one compiler, the HTML to a compiler. Yeah, it should be this working. I don't, yeah. So if I take this, you see, I copied that cell. If I paste it here, it will come with this HTML. So when you run it, okay, you will get this with the bold thing. So you can copy it, copy all of this. Okay, sorry. Copy all of this and take it to the canvas and put it on the Turnitin feedback. So it will come with the bold and these things. So it will be like a nice one. Is that clear?
Yes, clear. Yeah, this will be
So
for
hopefully, I have to go in 30 seconds. Do you have any question?
That's absolutely fine. Thank you very much.